I've been drying herbs for a few years. Oregano, parsley, you know, all the standards. And I've been doing it in the oven at low heat because I didn't have a dehydrator. So Juan buys a dehydrator, but it's more for, well, not more for it. He bought it for woodworking. He saw a video about a guy drying out wood in a dehydrator, so he gave it a shot. He does a really good job for that too. So anyway, I picked some of my oregano from the front yard and dried it out in the dehydrator. Now the only thing that, this is where, you know, trying something new fails me, because I'm so used to the way that the oregano feels when it comes out of the oven after I know that I've dried it long enough. This feels different. Some of the leaves do feel soft, so you know, I'm not 100% sure if it's totally dry, but the instructions that came with the dehydrator said that once you dry your herbs, you put them in the jar you want to put them in. If condensation gathers inside, then you just pop the herbs back in the dehydrator for a little bit longer to dry them out, because it just means that they're not dry yet. So that's what I'm going to do, because maybe I did do it right, and I've learned something new, and maybe I didn't do it long enough, and I have to just finish the job. One or the other. But either way, we'll see what the outcome is in a few hours. Such a tedious job, but it's worth it.